Hello friends, welcome to our channel Husband's Kitchen. Happy Ganesh Chaturthi to all. On auspicious occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi, we are going to prepare dry fruit modak. Let's check out the ingredients. Kaju 100 grams, badam 100 grams, kishmish 100 grams, anjeer 100 grams, pista 100 grams, black kishmish 100 grams, chironji 50 grams, dates 100 grams, gond 100 grams, jaggery 500 grams, makhana 50 grams. Chop all the dry fruits to small pieces. In a pan, heat 3 tablespoons of ghee and add 100 grams of chopped kaju, 100 grams of chopped pista, 100 grams of chopped badam, 100 grams of chopped anjeer, and finally 100 grams of chopped khajur. Saute it for a while. And take it into a bowl. Heat 2 tablespoons of ghee and add 100 grams of black resin, 100 grams of kishmish, 50 grams of chironji and saute it for a while. Take it into a bowl and keep it aside. Heat 2 tablespoons of ghee and add 50 grams of makhana. Roast it for a while and grind it to a fine powder. Heat 2 tablespoons of ghee and add 100 grams of gond. Saute it for a while and grind it to a fine powder. Heat 2 tablespoons of ghee and add 500 grams of jaggery. Stir it for a while and add 1 cup of water to prepare jaggery syrup. The jaggery starts melting. Once the syrup is ready, we can check it by placing 2 to 3 drops in a bowl of water. If it forms a lump, it means that the syrup is ready. Now add all the roasted dry fruits in the syrup and mix well. Now add the makhana powder and mix properly. Lastly, we need to add gond powder. Always remember that gond powder should be added at last. Dry fruit mixture is now ready. Take the mixture out in a plate to prepare the modak. We are going to use a modak mold to prepare modak. We need to apply ghee on both the sides of the mold to prevent modak sticking to the mold. Now close the mold and fill the dry fruit mixture. Press it tightly and fill it properly so that the desired shape is obtained. Now open the mouth and modak is ready. Guys, our modak are now ready. You can garnish it with desiccated coconut. If you like our recipe, please do hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.